Hi, it's Kirti here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor, Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore.
First, the Women's Day special. TV The IG World speaks to eminent personalities on the present status of women. St. Agnes College observes International Women's Day, honors girls and their proud mothers. Here's what we have in our local news. Karinja Hill Temple celebrates Mahashivratri with religious pomp and gaiety. And in our entertainment bash, we have songs by Urba Group from Konkani Nirantari and a dance from Selyanche Suban.
Wendell Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor, Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 244752 4254881 6452 999.
News in detail. March 8th is a special day for women. It is a day to make a woman feel special. It is an important occasion to review and assert their economic, social and political rights. While for women, it is a time to explore the pleasure of being a woman, for others it is a day to do some retrospection whether due respect has been paid to these delicate and beautiful creations of God without whom one can hardly think of the world. This Women's Day, TV The IG World spoke to some of the well-known faces of Mangalore on the status of women in their respective communities and whether women empowerment is a reality or a hype. Women are special, so is the day dedicated to them. Since 1975, March 8th has been observed as International Women's Day to commemorate the historic struggle to improve women's lives. It is celebrated around the world at the local and national levels. Team The IG World spoke to some of the well-known faces of Mangalore and had a brief chat over the present status of women. And to speak on issues related to women, who else can be a right person than Gertrude Vegas, Deputy Director of Women and Child Welfare Department. First, we went to Zilla Panchayat to meet the busy Gertrude Vegas. From her experience as a government officer who has seen the problems faced by women both in the rural as well as urban areas, Gertrude Vegas opined that only financial empowerment and creating awareness among the women can put an end to the problems faced by them.
ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾಂತಿ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ನೆಲೆಸಲಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಅರಿವು, ಮಾಹಿತಿಗೆ ಕೇವಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಪುರುಷರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಿಸಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶೋಷಣೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವ, ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅರಿವು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಾವಲಂಬಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಪಣ್ಯಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ತಾವು ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಅರಿವಿನ ಜೊತೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಒಂದು ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ ಕೂಡ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ 95% ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ.
Gertrude Vegas, an efficient officer who hails from Christian community, is happy that her community is giving support to women to achieve further heights in their life. Another familiar face among Mangaloreans, Shakuntala, District Program Officer, is optimistic. She says the status of women has improved over the years. Women should be educated about their rights. Both the men and women should join hands together to reduce atrocity on women. She is happy that women of her community are doing a lot to leave an imprint in the society by achieving something. The plight of women has improved, she said.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕಟ್ಟುಪಾಡುಗಳು ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಅದು ಆಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಇಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅನೇಕ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟುಪಾಡುಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಹೇಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿತದೆ ಆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚಿಂತನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
Shehnaz, editor of Anupama Women's Magazine, a magazine run entirely by women, feels Women's Day is not restricted to only one day. All the 365 days are of women, quips one of the most respected women of Muslim community.
ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಆಚರಣೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ವರ್ಷವಿಡೀ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರದೇ ಎಂದು ನನ್ನ ಭಾವನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ದೆಸೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶೋಷಣೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸುವಂಥ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಿತರಾದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Shehnaz discloses that Muslim women are not lagging behind other women of other communities when it comes to education. To Shehnaz, the word equal treatment to women has a wider meaning. It is not all about giving equal opportunities to women, it is also about respecting women like any other human beings. On the occasion of International Women's Day on March 8th, the Alumni and Women's Cell of St. Agnes College organized a program on Girl Child in the college auditorium, during which 5 mothers and their daughters were felicitated for their achievements. The college sent a message through organizing this unique program, that is, to respect a girl child. When the son shall be folded up, and when the female child that has been buried alive shall be asked for what crime she was put to death, then every soul will know what it did. This quote from the Quran gives an example of how the holy books of all the religions have considered killing a baby girl before she comes to this world as a sin. No doubt, female feticide is an extreme manifestation of violence against women in India. When the International Women's Day is being observed across the country as a day dedicated to the 21st century woman who is changing the face of India, we, the Indians, are bowing our heads with shame because of the rampant female feticide, especially in the northern parts of India. St. Agnes College, a premier educational institute in Mangalore, which has been empowering girls for many years, celebrated International Women's Day in a unique way by felicitating 5 mothers and their daughters for their achievements on Saturday, March 8th. The thrust of the program was to respect a girl child. Maisie Rodriguez, Anita Arana, Dr. Saraswati Rao, Shailaja Chandrasekhar, Professor Malini Hebbar have 3 girl children each. They do not have a boy child. In fact, they never felt sorry for not having a boy. And they gave education and freedom to their children to achieve more in their life. The college felicitated these great mothers for educating their girl children and for inspiring them to achieve newer heights in their lives. St. Agnes College Principal Dr. Marie Prem D'Souza, parents, teachers and students were present. Shri Karanjeshwara Temple, also known as Karanja Shiva Parvati Temple, is a highly revered shrine located at Kavalamudur, about 35 kilometers from Mangalore. The hill temple celebrated Shivratri with devotion and religious splendor. Among the other celebrated Shiva temples of South Canara, Karanjeshwara Temple commands a pivotal place. Karanjeshwara Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is situated on the top of a hill 1,500 feet high from the sea level at a distance of around 15 kilometers from Bantwal. Perched at the top of Karanja Hill and covered by the green, cool, thick forest of Kodiyamale and hills, the Karanjeshwara Temple presents a sublime picture. Shivaratri is celebrated with great festivity, and this time too, a number of devotees thronged the temple to have darshan of Lord Karanjeshwara and Goddess Parvati.
ಜಗತ ಪಿತರೋ ಒಂದೇ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾ ಪಿತರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ದೇವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Mahashivratri is a major festival celebrated with much pomp and splendor. 5 days of festival, Tirtha Jagarne, Mita Jagarne, Rathotsava, Katte Puja, Dwaja Avarohana are the 5 main attractions in the month of February.
ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್ವಪತ್ರ, ಏಕ ಬಿಲ್ವಂ ಶಿವಾರ್ಪಣಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಏಕ ಬಿಲ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ವಪತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ದಿವಸ ಅದು 10 ಬಿಲ್ವ ಪತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Well, with this, let us take a short break now. Don't go away, I will be back in just a few moments.
Vendel Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Vendel Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 2447582, 4254881, 6452
Apurva for apt life.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.